Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do something a little different. I usually just do like a voiceover, but I wanted to kind of just do like a talk through while I'm doing my makeup. I never did it before. I'm looking crazy right now. I already started my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna go from there. Look what I did. How did I do that? I always get shit all over my face, like I'm a child. But anyways, I wanted to do something. I did something last night that was really cute, and I'm so mad I didn't record it. So I wanted to do something similar, just a different color. Last night I did, it was like a pink purple. If you can still see, like I still have like the pink and purple on me, on my eyes. It's so hard to wash off, I don't know why. But I wanted to do like a green, white, I don't know, like I'm just gonna go with the flow and just kind of just do my thing. So I'm gonna start off with this palette, the 88 palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna start off with a green, a lighter green preferably, and then I'm gonna use that as my transition color and then go into a darker green and then fade that out and just do the whole cut crease shebang thing. So I'm gonna start now. Alrighty, I don't know what color. I don't think these have like particular colors. This is my first time using this palette. I don't necessarily use BH Cosmetics, so this is my first time. So I'm just gonna go in with one of these greens, honey, because they got like 10 greens to choose from. But I think this one caught my eye the most. So I'm gonna go with this one. And I'm just gonna plant it in. I like pressing it in and then buffing it out because I feel like I get more color pigmentation if I do it like that. So I just pat it in basically, and then I buff out the edges. It doesn't really matter if you go like below the crease because you're still gonna do the cut crease, so it's gonna eliminate any color that's below your crease anyways. So as long as you get it above the crease, the color that you want, you should be perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go in my Morphe palette in 35S, and I'm gonna go in with this darker green that you guys see. Well, I'm pointing to the wrong one. This darker green, and I'm going to darken up my transition, give it that fade, you know, look that it gives. Who knows what this is? Some cheap brush that I got, but the cheap brushes be coming in handy. Don't sleep on the cheap brushes. I'm going in my Jaclyn Hill palette. Oh God, yeah, hold my titty. I'm gonna go in with this like super dark green, don't even look green, color. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to cut my crease with the NYX eyeshadow base, and that's in the color white. Like it's, yeah, it's literally white. Now I'm going back in my palettes with the darker green again. And I'm just gonna hit it in the outer core. The outer core. What? Now I'm going, I can't see in the mirror. Boom. Right on top. Right on top. You're gonna place it right on top so it could give that faded look. Now back to the 88 matte palette. That first color. Now I'm gonna go in with the white. And just pat it on. Yep. Now with a little bit of glitter on my crease, just to add a little. I'm gonna moisturize with my Clinique Dramatically Moisturizing Gel. This thing is the truth, okay? And with the Pore Professional Balm. Now you guys are probably like, where the fuck are you going with this green ass eyeshadow? And luckily, I work in a strip club. My foundation with the NARS. This is the NARS Medium Dark Macao All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. And then I mix it with the Fenty. Usually it gives me a nice combination because I feel like the NARS, it's like a little bit too dark. I think maybe like it oxidizes. I feel like it does because I feel like it wasn't this dark, but I might be tripping. I don't know. Or maybe I got lighter. I have no idea. But with the Fenty Beauty, it gives me like, it's like really orange. I feel like it has the super orange look. So with both of them mixed together, it gives me like the perfect foundation. And I will be right back with the finished look.